Mike at HD Pocket Doors. What makes a custom frame worth it? Well, there's really not a lot of difference on our end as far as these frames go. We're gonna make them and stock them for your standard sizes, but we can customize them very easily to meet any door size, any wall thickness, really any application. So don't feel like you can't reach out to us and ask us to customize them. If your door is a little bit taller or a little bit wider or a little bit shorter, we're gonna make these one at a time so we can easily customize them to fit your application. We've got transom assemblies where we can make it with no header assembly at the top. We've got the big heavy doors that we can make it for any size to fit in there. So you don't need to worry about, well, I've got this huge door, not a problem. These can go up to 350 pounds with soft close, soft open. We can use the same track and hardware and go up to 500 pounds. We've got well, I want to do a pair of doors, but I want them to be synchronized. We can do the synchronized with soft close open. We can help walk through that because it depends on what the weight of the door is for those situations. We've got the dog and child gate setup that's very custom at this point. What really is gonna set us apart with these frames is they're not just a cookie cutter thing. We're gonna make these to fit your application. But when it comes to custom frames, we can do corner units, floor to ceiling units. This one here shows off both. You can have one door that comes out, comes to the corner. This one carries up to 325 pounds. We can go all the way up to 350 pounds with soft close, soft open. Bring them out, let them corner together there, and then finish it off with that magnetic latching lock. Really, sky's the limit with these things. You may have one that you want to close off a big opening here and you want multiple doors for one opening. We can do it. We've got many applications for that. This one has 4 doors at one time that can open and close. Or you want to match the arches in your house. We can match your arch application to match the door radius and send that out so it's going to match it right off the bat and still incorporate it with the soft close, soft open hardware, and we can fit it with the handle for you too. It can be as much of a one-stop shop as you need it here with the HD Pocket Doors. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. HD Pocket Doors.